Okay, so for our topic, we will be talking about the static electricity. And in static electricity, we will be dealing with the force between subatomic particles such as the proton and the electrons. So we know that protons are positively charged subatomic particles, while electrons are negatively charged subatomic particles. So in static electricity, we have loss of charges. We have the loss of charges. So if I have two positive charge particle, what will happen to those? It will repel. If I have both negatively charged particles, it will also repel. However, if I have opposite charges, it will attract. They are attractive. So we can form a conclusion that if both charges are similar, they will repel or they will go away with each other. And if I have opposite charges or different charges, then it can attract or they will go with each other. Now in static electricity, we also have the Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law. So in Coulomb's law, we have the formula, the Coulomb force is equal to the Coulomb constant times Q1, Q2 over R squared. So the R is the distance between the particle or the charged particle, and the Q1, Q2 are the assigned magnitude of those particles. Also, the value of this K or the Coulomb constant is 9 times 10 raised to 9 and m squared c squared. Okay, so for our problem, we have two subatomic particles. The other is positively charged and the other is negatively charged. The value of positively charged particle is 3 times 10 raised to negative 6. The value of the negatively charged particle is negative 1.5 times 10 raised to negative 6. So both are coulombs. Okay, so since yun nga, opposite sila na charge, they are what? Attractive. Attractive. So, meron silang force of attraction. Meron silang force of attraction. Now, paano natin isosolve yan? Paano natin masosolve yung force of attraction nila? We will use the Coulomb's law, which is the Coulomb force is equal to Coulomb constant times Q1, Q2 or the assigned magnitude or values for the charged particle and the distance between them squared. Now, alamin lang natin yung mga given sa problem na to. We have the Q1, Q2. Pwedeng ito maging Q1 natin. Pwedeng ito maging Q2 natin. It doesn't matter. Parehas lang naman magiging sagot. Pwedeng maging Q2 to. Pwedeng maging Q1 to. Okay, so yung value ng Q1 natin ay 3 times 10 raised to negative 6. So, Q1 is 3 times 10 raised to negative 6. And for the value of Q2, we have negative 1.5 times 10 raised to negative 6. Pero pag isa-substitute na natin to sa mismong formula, hindi siya negative. Positive 1.5 times 10 raised to negative 6 pa rin. Okay, so ano pa ba ang given sa problem natin? We have the value of R which is 0.12 meters. So the value of R is 0.12 meters. And the value of K, which is the Coulomb constant, is 9 times 10 raised to 9. And m squared c squared. Okay, so may Coulomb to. Yan, Q1, Q2. Ngayon, para ma-solve yung Coulomb force, we'll just substitute this given in this formula. Okay, so let's do it na. So, what is the value of K? That's 9 times 10 raised to 9 times Q1. What is Q1? 3 times 10 raised to negative 6 times Q2. 1.5 times 10 raised to negative 6 over r squared, which is 0.12 squared. So let's input that in our calculator. And our answer would be Coulomb force with the force of attraction is 2.81 newtons. Ayan. Ayan yung force of attraction. Since magkaiba nga o different nga yung kanilang subatomic particles, yung charge ng subatomic particles, yung isa positive, yung isang negative. So, this is attractive. Ibig sabihin, maglalapit sila. So, the force of attraction is 2.81 newtons attractive.